Meghalaya's first ever five-star hotel, the Vivanta Meghalaya Shillong, was inaugurated by Chief Minister of Meghalaya Conrad K Sangma today, the 14th of October 2022. Dignitaries present during the event included Meghalaya Chief Secretary P Wahlang, former Chief Secretaries of the state S Rao, P Thangkhiew and Rebecca V Suchiang, Hector Marwein, Prakash Naik, Dr. Vijay Kumar, besides others. In his message, the Chief Minister said that the work for the hotel, which has been going on since 1986 and could be completed only after a strong push was given by the current government, had everybody involved in some way or the other in its completion. At the same time, Sangma said that the determination of the government of the day to execute and complete all pending projects in the state, which includes the 36-year-old Crowborough, which is now renamed as the TAJ Vivanta Meghalaya, only shows that despite challenges, the government has been able to put in the right effort to get things done at the right time.
Dong and dong dong dong, dong and dong dong dong, dong and dong dong dong.
This really is a very historic day for the people of Meghalaya. And as Srimati Deepika Rao was mentioning, that she didn't realize how important this was or how meaningful this was for the people of the state. For us who have been in Shillong for some time, have seen and realized that this is not just a completion of a hotel. In some sense, it's kind of a positive hope and a kind of a message, a kind of really a challenge for us, which we overcame. And really, it's very difficult for somebody who has not been associated with this project to realize that. But it's not a completion of a hotel. It's really, as I said, it's the entire hope that we can do things that sometimes was thought that would not happen. So I think it's a very, very positive message that comes out of what we are doing today. It's much bigger than just a hotel. And from the beginning, why we started the functioning of our government in 2018, we have been focusing on a lot of specific projects and ideas and issues that have been pending for a very long time. And it has been our endeavor as a government to ensure that things that people felt could not be done and somehow had given up hope that it will never be touched or never been done or never will be done, it was our endeavor to show that, well, we can do it and we will do it. And this is another example of that determination, I should say, in us to not give up and to continue doing things. We have faced a number of challenges, not just in this hotel, but as I said, this hotel can be a story of the state in one way, that we have faced so many challenges, but yet we consistently went ahead. We were committed to the cause. We were focused on what we were doing. We were monitoring things, and we are finally here to see that this hotel is complete. So it's really in a way, a nutshell of, in a nutshell, even the story of the state in one way, that we can say that the challenges we faced, yet we have overcome those challenges. And today we are here because of the efforts put in by everybody.